Hey guys, how y'all doing? My name is Salieu. I'm a digital marketer and also a mobile geek. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna show you exactly on how you can hide your subscribers in your YouTube channel. All right, I know like a lot of new YouTubers, they don't like people seeing their little subscribers, so this tutorial is for you. All right, it's super simple guys. To do this, all you need to do first, it's super simple guys. You can hide your subscribers less than 2 minutes. You can do that. All right, so first what you need to do, let me just try to show you guys. Let me just try to show you my subscribers that I have right now. Okay, so that is it. Yeah, hold on guys. As you can see, presently I have 153 subscribers. All right, so now we want to hide these subscribers. All right, so like we don't want it to be visible, so what we need to do, we need to go to Chrome. All right, type Chrome and also yeah, enter the YouTube website. Okay, like 𝐓𝐷eYouTube.com. yeah, go to the YouTube dashboard. Then don't forget guys to tap on this 3 button to yeah, to check this desktop site. All right, once it opens like this, as you see guys, the profile on the top right hand corner up there, you just need to tap that one. Hold on guys, my network is too slow. And also you tap on your channel. All right, also don't forget guys to tap on customize channel. All right, yeah, so once the interface open like this guys, as you can see, the setting is right down guys, at the left down. So just tap on that one. Once it opens like this, you tap on channel. Okay, on the second option, channel. Yeah, when it opens like this, then also you tap on advanced settings. All right, these advanced settings, you need to tap on that. Also you scroll down. Okay, you need to uncheck, let me see, yeah. Okay, as you see guys, this subscriber account, I need to uncheck this one. This display the number of people subscribed to my channel. Okay, so if I want to hide my subscribers, I need to uncheck that and save. That is all. All right, once I save it like this guys, my subscribers will no more be visible. Okay, so let's go and see. Let me go to my YouTube channel, then try to open any video. As you can see guys, it's super simple. Now my subscribers are no more visible. All right, so that is it. This is all about the tutorial guys. I know if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and also smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that anytime I drop a video, you will be the first person to be notified. Okay guys, so thank you so much guys for watching.
Subscribe to this channel.
See you on my next video.